Hello guys, welcome back. So in the last video we covered up what's JavaScript, right, and why we use it. So in this video guys, I would like you guys to explain the variable keywords in the JavaScript. So in this video, let's see what are the variables. So in the JavaScript, the variables are used to store data values, okay? So they can be declared using the keywords which is var, let, or const keyword. So I'm gonna start with the var keyword. So the var keyword is the oldest one to the way to declare variables in JavaScript. So, but there is a little problem with the var because the var variable can be reassigned while the let and const variables cannot be reassigned. So var variables are declared using the var keyword, while let and const variables are declared using the let and const keywords. So let's see. I'm gonna show you the example of var. Okay, so here I have a code compiler. Just you guys don't worry about this. You are not going to need it right now because in the next video I'm going to cover up. I'm going to show you guys how to download a Visual Studio Code, which is the code editor which we are going to use for the JavaScript code. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys the var keyword. Okay, so with the var keywords, I say that it can be reassigned while let and const keywords cannot be. Okay, so to declare a variable in JavaScript, what we do is we write these keywords and var, for example, uh, course aperture, for example, is equal to, I'm gonna say 2. So this is how you declare a var variable, and course topic is equal to variables in JavaScript, for example. So I'm gonna declare this with the let keyword, and let's say const. Let's see what we can say here. Maybe name. I don't know. So this is the 3 types of way to declare keywords in variable keywords in JavaScript, right? This is a var keyword. Here we have a let. Here we have a const. Okay, so what's the difference? So I want you guys to, I just want to explain this, but I want you guys to forget these keywords because it is worth noting that we use let and const instead of var, because this can help us to prevent bugs and make your code more maintainable. This is because let and const, these two ones, provide better scoping rules, which can help catch errors and early and make your code easier to reason about. So let's imagine with the var, we just say that course episode is equal to 2, right? So in JavaScript we use console.log to print something in the console. So let's print this one. So it say 2. So the problem is var is we can reassign this variable again like this. For example, var, let's reassign the same value equal to 2. Now it's 3. And here we can see it's saying like there is no error. So this is really bad. This can make many bugs. So that's why it's really not good though. So let's try to do the same thing but with the let keyword. Let's see what happens. Okay. Here I'm gonna copy this. So here you see we already got error. The symbol course topic has already been declared. So with the let keyword you cannot do this. But what you can do is use this variable again. You have declared here and now you use its value and change it to, for example, like this. Let's try to come to log code topic and we get the variables in JavaScript. Okay. So now what's the difference of a const? So basically the const we use for a constant. So the constant is something that cannot be changed. For example, now if we try to do this with the const, example mark. Look here, it's error cannot assign to a name because it's the constant. So we use const keyword to for something that's not going to send. For example, if you want to declare a variable for user data, maybe you can for the DNI, for example, of the user, because it's something it's not going to change, right? Or maybe a birth date, maybe, or a date of birth. So because it's not going to change, right, for the user, so we use const for that type of things. So yeah, I just want you guys to remember these two keywords, the let and const. Forget the var. I just wanted to mention because it exists, and but it doesn't, we don't use it anymore because the let and const were introduced in ES6, which is basically the version of the JavaScript which was released after the 2015. So yeah, that's all guys, and in the next topic I'm going to teach you guys the data types. Okay, so thank you very much for watching.